Sergeant's schedule, time tracking, and payroll made easy. Here we see Brian is scheduled for Thursday. Under Brian's orders, he can clock in the morning, as well as clock out at the end of the day, indicating when he left the job site and any drive time. In the project view, you can check out all the time entries against a project, as well as the total hours. And under timesheets, we can see what Brian's getting paid for the week, as well as his hours for each day. Sergeant's schedule, time tracking, and payroll made easy.